we doing tonight?
We're going to R&R BBQ grand opening.
Yeah, they have another new grand opening and we're so excited because we're gonna go eat some awesome meat.
We love R&R.
Yeah, their boneless chicken is my favorite. And then check this out.
Someone's gonna get some meat.
Someone's in the car.
I'll have to bring him some meat.
Let's do this. Ooh, how cute they have balloons up.
Look at all this delicious meat. Yum.
Oh my. Jake got the ribs and the chicken and fried pickles. We got sweet potato fries, the chicken and brisket. How is it all?
Amazing. So amazing.
How's the fried pickles?
Really good.
We made a little meat plate for Zeke. He is gonna go wild. Wild for this meat. Oh, Zeke, are you making out with anyone in here?
He's cleaning the inside of our window.
We have really good chances of finding a parking spot right now. We luckily found a parking spot right away.
I know.
So one of the four. Yeah. It was like all of a sudden we're like, there it is. This is gonna be awesome. Now we're in downtown Salt Lake City and we are gonna go look at all the Christmas lights.
Level 1.
Zeke's first time on an elevator.
Yeah, with us at least.
He doesn't want to walk. He likes family walks and he likes to be in the middle.
Yeah, so if I run ahead, he runs too.
Well, it's been a fun evening.
It's been really awesome and Zeke has been so good. Where's he at?
There he is.
He's made so many friends.
I know, this has been really good for him to be like out socializing.
Yeah, because he was raised on a farm.
Yeah.
But he just likes, it was fun. There's lots of noises, there's some musicians,
Yeah.
and just lots of people stopped to pet him and say how pretty he was. And
It's been a fun night.
yeah. Well, thanks for joining.
Hi, cutie.
Bye.